Have you ever wondered how a 21-day smoothie diet could transform your health? Welcome to the world of nutrient-dense smoothies and balanced meals. The 21-day smoothie diet is a tailored nutritional program designed to help you lose weight, boost your energy, and ultimately improve your overall health. It's not just about blending fruits and veggies, it's equally crucial to integrate one well-balanced, highly nutritionally meal each day for dinner. This diet, if followed correctly, can be a game-changer for your health. But how does this diet work exactly? Well, the science behind the smoothie diet is quite simple. It's all about nutrient density. Smoothies made from fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, which your body needs to function optimally. Experience the power of nutrient-dense smoothies that are carefully crafted to nourish your body. With their blended nature, these smoothies allow for effortless absorption of essential nutrients. Your body readily receives these valuable nutrients, ensuring optimal fuel on your journey to better health. This absorption process is more efficient than when you eat whole fruits and vegetables, making smoothies an effective way to nourish your body. But that's not all. The 21-day smoothie diet isn't just about smoothies. It also emphasizes the importance of one balanced meal per day. This meal is crucial as it provides additional necessary nutrients that are not found in smoothies, ensuring a well-rounded diet. It's like having the best of both worlds, the ease of nutrient absorption from smoothies and the variety of nutrients from a balanced meal. So, the science is clear. The 21-day smoothie diet can be a boom to your health. Before you dive into the smoothie diet, a 3-day detox is recommended. So what's this detox all about? Well, it's about giving your body a fresh start. It's about flushing out the toxins that have accumulated over time, toxins that can interfere with your body's ability to absorb nutrients. This detox involves consuming lots of fluids, particularly water and herbal teas, and eating nutrient-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. It's about saying no to processed foods, alcohol, and caffeine, at least for 3 days. This detox is like hitting the reset button on your body, preparing it to absorb all the goodness from the smoothies you'll be consuming in the next 21 days. With the 3-day detox, your body is primed and ready to reap the benefits of the 21-day smoothie diet. So, what does a day on the 21-day smoothie diet look like? Well, let's dive right in. Picture this. Your day begins with a refreshing and nutritious smoothie, packed with fruits, vegetables, and a healthy dose of protein. This kickstarts your metabolism and sets you up for the day ahead. As the day progresses, you're allowed 2 more smoothies spaced out evenly. These are not just any smoothies, but carefully crafted blends designed to provide you with the essential nutrients your body needs. And then comes the highlight of your day, a well-balanced, highly nutritious meal. Think lean proteins, whole grains, and a rainbow of vegetables. This is your chance to savor the delicious flavors of whole foods while nourishing your body. Between these meals and smoothies, you're allowed to snack, but not on just anything. Your snacks should be as nutritious as they are delicious. Think a handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, or even a small salad. A day on the 21-day smoothie diet is not only healthy, but also varied and satisfying. So, is the 21-day smoothie diet worth it? Well, let's look at the facts. This diet is designed to be a practical and effective way to boost your health and manage your weight. It's grounded in scientific principles that emphasize nutrient-dense foods and detoxification. And the results? Most individuals report feeling lighter, more energetic, and even witnessing a significant drop in their weight after just 21 days. Plus, it's not all about smoothies. With a nutritious meal included each day, you're not depriving yourself, but rather redefining your relationship with food. So it's not just about the short-term gains, but the long-term benefits. With the 21-day smoothie diet, you're not just investing in a diet, you're investing in your health. Get your free copy of our smoothie diet ebook today. To claim your free ebook, just visit our YouTube channel and click the link just below our banner for instant access. Happy blending!